Goofy.
Caesar.
She be bobbing on my sponge, mining on my craft. She Jimmy on my neutron. I'm about to blast. He about to blast, sucking on his cock. He about to come real fast. He got me shooting ropes. Spider-Man. I'm fucking random folks.
Stranger danger.
I'm sucking random penis. Gobble gobble. Up in the streets of Phoenix. Homeless man, I'm methamphetamine.
Welcome, sir, to our fine establishment. What can I get started for you today?
Can I get that juicy dick, please?
Sir, that is utterly disrespectful. Don't worry, nigga, I got you. Come over here and suck my hot dick, nigga. Oh yeah, that's right, white boy, you keep sucking that dick, nigga. Oh yeah, white boy, you keep bouncing on that shit, nigga. Keep fucking bouncing on that shit, white boy. You know I love that little white boy hole. You know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah.
Walking down on niggas like I'm John Wick. Take a bitch to Chinatown, eat her out with chopsticks. Then we go to downtown, pick up all my other chicks. Pop out at the strip mall, selling dope and selling bricks.
Oil up, it's time to party. Two young white men seen getting raped on O Block. Sources say they were indebted to the local street gang, the Diddlers. Another story, young Amy Renard, a 5-year-old girl, was kidnapped.